UPPSC aspirants, are you looking for a comprehensive and focused guide that will take your preparation to a new level? ForumIAS proudly presents Red Book for UPPCS General Studies Paper 5, a meticulously designed guide especially prepared for the aspirants of UPPSC exams. This book covers every topic of the syllabus, ensuring that you have all the resources for your preparation at one place. Uttar Pradesh at a glance section gives you a detailed knowledge of UP's history, culture and governance, which is invaluable not just for the exams but also for understanding the rich legacy of the state. Model Answers for 2023 Mains exam gives you a clear roadmap to frame high-scoring answers. Theme-wise PYQs for practice in the book help you understand the pattern and focus on the relevant areas. This is not just a book, it is a one-stop solution. Along with Mains Paper 5, it also gives you Uttar Pradesh specific knowledge for prelims and personality test. Red Book UPPCS General Studies Paper 5 is your mentor, your guide and your dependable companion in your journey to success. So what are you waiting for? To boost your preparation, get a copy of Red Book UPPCS General Studies Paper 5 today itself. With ForumIAS, write a new chapter of success.